Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. Once again, we realize that our Second Amendment rights are under attack, and this time it has to do with CCW. Just today, a federal appeals court in San Francisco ruled that the people do not have a Second Amendment right to carry concealed weapons in public. And in order to do so, they have to show good cause. Good cause, meaning somebody else will decide. That means you have to have a reason. You have to plea your case. It's no longer a shall issue kind of thing. It's more you have to fill out an application to explain why you should carry a firearm in public. And somebody else will decide. It says here, definitively dismiss the argument that the right to carry a concealed weapon was contained in the Second Amendment. See, now this is why it's so important to elect pro-2A politicians. It is so important because these are the people who put these judges on the benches. Here we have a liberal appeals court in San Francisco saying that states do not have to allow this. And if you're a shall issue state, you now have the right to no longer be that and make people prove that they need a reason. And if somebody else says, you know what, that reason's not good enough, you no longer have a CCW permit. Do I think this is going to happen, tomorrow or next week? No, I think there's going to be a huge fight going on, and rightfully so. So get ready. Get ready to join arms with the NRA, Gun Owners of America, and every other pro-2A group to fight this tooth and nail. Now, this most likely will make its way to the Supreme Court. And here we have, Justice Scalia no longer on our side, and all the more reason, especially with a presidential election ahead of us, to do the right thing and put pro-2A people in there. It really is unbelievable. We hold that the Second Amendment does not preserve the right of a member of the general public to carry concealed firearms in public, is what the judge wrote in regards to this case. So once again, we learned that our God-given rights are now being infringed upon by liberal judges. And we saw this coming. I mean, this is the kind of thing that comes up every now and again, and we have to fight. We have to put good pro-2A people in office, because this type of thing is always under attack. So when we get passive, when we lay back a little bit, and when we decide, you know what, I'm good, I'm sitting here in my state, we have good rights, I'm fine. Those can be stripped in a second, and that's what we're seeing here. And so get ready. It's coming on, and we need all of us to join together to take this on and preserve our God-given rights in the Second Amendment, in which our right to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. I appreciate you watching. Get ready for this one, and you guys be safe.